Hey there, awesome explorers of emotions. Today, we're diving into the magical world of conscious, caring communication with the help of a new skill called observations versus evaluations, or O versus E for the clever cookies out there. Learning to identify and use these skills in our communications can have a really big impact on how we feel about ourselves and how we relate to and get along with other people. So let's get to it. Firstly, what are observations, I hear you ask? An observation is something we experience with our senses: seeing, hearing, sense of smell, taste and touch. We could say that an observation is what a video recorder captures. Observations are different from the evaluations that many of us are used to making. Evaluations are conclusions we draw from what we observe. With the help of evaluations, we describe things as being good or bad points of the person or the situation we observed. Evaluations are like the review of the movie our camera recorded. Let's explore an example. Imagine you watch a person get up from the sofa, walk towards the TV, pick it up, walk to the opposite side of the room with the TV and then throw it through a closed window. That's what a video recorder can capture. If we see something like this, it's likely that we'd share what happened by adding in some evaluations. That might sound like, "He was utterly furious. I've never seen anyone so angry. He just grabbed the TV and threw it out the window." No one can tell from the video recording whether he was furious or not. That's an evaluation. Another evaluation of the action may be that it was totally appropriate to throw the TV out the window. Perhaps he noticed smoke coming from the TV and we evaluate that he acted bravely. Imagine you have a pet hamster and you want to tell your friend all about it. When you observe your hamster, you're just watching and noticing what it does without making any judgments. You might say, "My hamster runs on its wheel and nibbles on sunflower seeds." Observations are like being a detective and gathering facts without saying if something is good or bad, or right or wrong. On the other hand, when you evaluate your hamster, you're giving your opinion or making a judgment about it. So, you might say, "My hamster loves to run on its wheel and thinks sunflower seeds are the best." We don't know how the hamster is feeling and may only use its wheel because it doesn't have any other options. Same with the sunflower seeds. So, evaluations include your thoughts and feelings about something. It's like saying what you like or don't like about something. Observations are like being a scientist discovering things, and evaluations are like being an art critic expressing your opinions. Here's another example. Someone giving $20 to a food bank could be considered generous, which is a judgment or evaluation, or miserly, which is another judgment or evaluation, based on our perception of their finances. The observation is that the person gave $20 to a food bank. The evaluations are that they are generous, or that they're miserly. So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to explore the text, hunting down evaluations and observations. If you find an evaluation, record it in the evaluation column and then rewrite it as an observation in the observation column. If you find an observation, record it in the observation column and then rewrite it as an evaluation in the evaluation column. But why, I hear you ask? Being able to make observations instead of evaluations helps us grow our compassionate communication brains. Many people think that their evaluations are the truth. And because we often think our judgments are true or accurate, it can be hard to recognize when we are making evaluations. Observations are a key part of compassionate communication and can really help us stay in our thinking brain because we're literally asking it, with the objectivity of a video camera, what am I seeing? What am I hearing? And when we can stay in our thinking brain, we can have better conversations and connections. So there we have it, young emotion explorers. Practice spotting the difference between observations and evaluations and use observations as much as possible to make your relationships sparkle with kindness and understanding. Happy communicating. Go on, off you go now, and do delicious observationing. Have fun everyone and see you next time in Learner Land.